So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a triangle equal in area to any regular polygon. Now the first thing to do is to draw the regular polygon. So in this case it's a hexagon. Now the next step is to draw the diagonals to intersect at the center of the polygon. So this is the center of the polygon O. So I'm going to draw all the diagonals to intersect here. So let's start diagonals. Let's draw the diagonals. They intersect through the center of this polygon. So now we've done that. The next step is to draw AB equal in length to the length of the side times the number of sides. So I'll draw a line AB. First of all, I'll need to draw a baseline. So my AB will be on this baseline. So I'll draw a line AB, which is equal to the length, the perimeter of this shape. So basically, I'll just take the length of the side. You can see this is the length of the side. So and I'll count it off on this line, on this baseline. So 1, 2. So you don't need to count it too much. So you have 1 division, 2 division, 3 division. Then we need 3 more to form the hexagon because it is 6 sides. 4, 5, and then 6. So now we have 6 complete divisions. So let's call this A. Let's call this B. Now the next step is you join O to A and O to B, and ABO will be the required triangle. So let's join O to A. So from O to A, let's join it here. So you can see it here. It's O to A. Then let's join O to B. So from O to B, you can see it here. Then this will be the required triangle. So you draw the base. So triangle OAB will be the required triangle equal in base to regular polygon.